Good evening, everyone, live from the front yard, 12:01 a.m. Happy Canada Day to everyone. It's July 1st. Let's go, Canada. It is a beautiful evening. It is 23 degrees right now on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. And like I said, it is beautiful. You can see the stars up in the sky, maybe not. But take it from me, it is a fantastic night. Early morning. No deer sightings as of yet, but if there's any, we will definitely get a picture of them. Anyways, happy Canada Day. We'll talk to you later on in the morning. Oh, Canada, our home and native land. Peace out.